guys, today I'm going to be showing you a video of my slime collection. Before we start, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So, the first slime that I have is this slime. It's a clear based slime, and it's like really crunchy. And sorry if some of my slimes are a little sticky. It's just because of the weather. It's really cold over here, so sorry if they're a little sticky. So I don't know where I got that folder. I'm just gonna put my sticky slimes. So it's clear glue and some cubes, and I just call it crunchy cube slime. So yeah. So the next one is this like butter slime. This is how it looks, and it's purple. I think I made it out of Daisy-O clay. I'm not sure. As you can see, it's like really stretchy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my spatula and I'm just gonna go like that. So yeah, it's really stretchy. So for the next one, this one is a red butter slime, but this one I for sure made out of Daisy-O clay. That's how it looks. So let's just take it out of the container. And this one, before the video, I was just like playing with it. And guys, it is like so stretchy. So that's that. And for the next one, this one is a blue foam, and it has white foam beads. So yeah, here's how it looks. So I'll just take it out right out. And I was playing with it, but usually they float to the top. So yeah, this next one is like, it feels like a cloud, but it's not cloud slime. But like, it literally feels like a cloud. It's a white base slime. And I don't know what I made this out of. But guys, this, like when I first made it, it felt like a cloud. And I'm not sure if I can do it with this thing. Looks like I can. Just gonna take that out right quick. So yeah, I really like this one. It's really stretchy, like all the other ones. So that's why I really like it. Okay, so for the next one, this one's a metallic slime. On the camera, it might not look metallic, but like it's really metallic. So yeah. And it's really stretchy. one. This one is like a flown slime, I would say, but it has like these little beads in it. It's like this, and it's really big. It's like a rainbow. It's really nice. And as you can see here, it fell out to the way to the top. So yeah, let's just take it right out. And it has sparkles in it. As you can see, if you can see those sparkles. And it's really glossy, look. It's really glossy, right? I would pick it up and stretch it for y'all, but it's like really big. Here, let me take a little piece out of it. So yeah, moving on to the next one. This one is, oh, I'm sorry, I just dropped all my slimes. So for the next one, this one is like a clear slime. I just made it so it's not clear. I'm sorry about that, but it is a clear slime. So as you can see there, I did make it out of clear glue, but I just really wanted to you know, turn into clear slime. And this one, honestly, it's not that stretchy. I made it really bad. I mean, it is stretchy, but like, you know, it has all these air bubbles. So I'm still waiting on it. So yeah, that was that slime. The next slime is this purple slime. And it's just a normal slime. I think it's like a little fluffy. But it's just a normal white. Well, I take that back. I made it like with sparkles in it. Can y'all see them? Yeah. So and y'all can't even see the sparkles, right? Y'all can. Yeah, I see them, yeah. So, yeah, it might look a little blue on the camera, but it's not. And I made it with this glue that it didn't want to work, so I just added in with a white base one. And yeah. So this next one is this band slime. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So yeah, it has all these types of bands. Me and my cousin actually made one. And it might be a small batch, but it actually feels like a big one. But yeah. It's really squishy. I really like that. For this next one, this one has the same container as the other one. And this one is just a googly eye slime. So yeah. This one actually used to be super stretchy. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video of all my slimes. Bye!